Today I'm going to show you how to remove email addresses from your logs. Suppose you're having a look through your logs in log search and you discover that some of your logs contain email addresses. To fix this, I'm going to add a mask node to my pipeline. And I'm going to configure it with a regex that identifies email addresses. This is a good spot for the mask node. All of my log data is coming from this file input, and it's going to be go through the mask node, have any email addresses obfuscated, and then proceed through the regular default pipeline. To start, I enter edit mode, and then I'm going to add my mask node. I'll call it mask emails. And it's going to mask any emails that it finds with a string that says email redacted. I've got a regex pattern that discovers most email addresses. You should test this with the particular data that comes through your pipeline. Alright, I've configured my mask emails node. I click review changes and I click deploy changes. Now the next time the Edge Delta agent pulls the backend, it's going to see that there's a new configuration, and it takes about a minute or so, and then it'll apply this new configuration. Alright, it's been a few minutes. If I now search for that particular field that contained the email addresses, I can see that they're being redacted. If we go back in time, you can see the moment at which the pipeline was updated at about 1905. If you want to learn more, check out our docs, watch our other videos, or visit edgedelta.com.